morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine and fit at your home. I am receiving your video of reading. You are doing very well. Keep it up. Most of the students speak the sounds while reading. You should speak the sounds while reading. It will help you in learning the words. Today we will start our English class. And what is the topic? Phonetic sound of A. So today we will learn some new words. Okay, today we will learn with the words ending sound ए, ग, एग. आज हम कौन सी साउंड लेंगे? एंडिंग साउंड है ए, ग, एग. So let's see the words with ending sound of e, g, ag. This is your bag. This is your school bag. You all like your school bag. You keep your books, notebooks, lunch box in your bag. Let's read the word bag. B, e, g, bag. B, e, g, bag. This is S, e, g, sag. You all seen these are the clothes. These clothes hang on the rod. जब कोई भी चीज हम ऊपर से नीचे हैंग करते हैं तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? स, ए, गा, सैग. आप देखते हो घर में आपकी मम्मा भी कपड़े वॉश करती हैं तो ऐसे ही हैंग करती हैं, और घर में मम्मा अलमीरा में भी क्लोथ्स को हैंगर पे हैंग करती हैं. तो उस वर्ड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? स, ए, ग, सैग. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज tag. T, A, G, tag. When you buy some new clothes, have you seen the tag? उसके ऊपर एक tag होता है. उस tag पे क्या लिखा होता है? The price of the cloth and size of the clothes are mentioned on the T, tag. T, tag. अब जब आपकी मम्मा आपके लिए कोई न्यू चीज लेके आएंगी ना, you should check the T, tag. Okay, this is dog. Yes, this is dog, but its tail is moving up and down, side to side. When anything moves up and down or side to side, so we will call it वह एगा वैग. जब कोई चीज ऊपर से नीचे साइड पे मूव करती है तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? वह एगा वैग. तो इसकी एंडिंग साउंड क्या है? ए, ग, एग. Okay, this tortoise wins the race. Have you heard the story of rabbit and tortoise? Tortoise slowly wins the race. When you slowly win anything, it's called lag. 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 The ending sound is ag. Let's revise the words. B, e, g, bag. S, e, g, sag. T, e, g, tag. वह. W के लिए क्या साउंड आती है? वह. वह एगा वैग. ल एगा लैग. Okay kids, now you will take out your reading book and open the page number 8. So first we will read the words with ending sound of egg, egg. B, egg, bag. T, egg, tag. Vah, egg, vehek. L, egg, lag. Sa, egg, sag. So now we will read words of am. Also we already done these words in our previous class. Ha, am a ham. Da, am a dam. Ma, am a ma'am. Ja, am a jam. Ra, am a ram. Words ending sound with appa, app. Ma, appa, map. Ta, appa, tap. Na, appa, nap. Ka, appa, cap. Sa, appa, sap. Ga, appa, gap. Words with ending sound the ad. Pa, ad, a pad. Ma, ad, a mad. Da, ad, a dad. Ba, ad, a bad. Sa, ad, a sad. La, ad, a lad. Okay kids, today we will do one activity in our English textbook to revise the phonetic sound of A. So let's open the page number 11. This is the page number 11 and activity is circle the correct word for each picture. हर picture के लिए हमें correct word circle करना है. First you will see the picture, then read the words and circle the correct word. Rat. Ba at a bat, ra at a rat, ma at a mat. तो मैम ने किसको सर्कल किया? ra at a rat को. Okay, now this is your school bag and read the words. Ra आएगा rag, ba आएगा bag, ta आएगा tag and this is bag. So we will circle ba आएगा bag. This is jam. Da am a dam, ra am a ram, ja am a jam. You will circle ja am a jam. This is pan. Pa in a pan, ta in a tan, ka in a can. You will circle the word pa in a pan. This is tap a tap. You will find out the word tap and circle it. This is cat. You will find out the word cat and circle it. This girl is very sad. The word is sa at a sad. You will find out the word and circle it. This is van. Van a van. Okay kids, you will do this activity in your English textbook and take a pic and send it to your class teacher. We will meet you again.